Okay, so this is right after the 360 camera update. So I wanted to share this with you guys because this is actually my first time seeing this as well. So I don't have a USB-C. I only have USB-A cam drive, but I do have a USB-A to C adapter. So we'll see if this works or not. I don't know. I read you have to have at least 64 gig, and this one's is 64 gigs. So let's try this out. Plug it into the USB-C. Let's go to camera, settings. I'm not sure exactly where to go. There were no instructions on this, so this is gonna, oh, here we go. Recordings. Allow recordings to access photos and videos. Allow. Hit next. To record, you'll need a USB drive that meets the following: USB 3, FAT32, minimum 64 gigs. It's your responsibility to follow. Recordings are paused while this app is open. Drive to start recording. Once you have recordings, they will be shown here. Surround vision recorder and USB drive. What happens if I do this? So apparently it sees it. So I'm gonna hit drive. I'm just gonna drive like down to the end of my driveway and back. Recordings unavailable while driving. Perfect. And I'm gonna throw it in reverse. Yeah, I know. The front of my garage is a mess. Whatever. Put it in park. Go back here to recordings. That actually looks like significantly better image quality. That was one of the things in the update as well. So I got my front camera, my rear camera, my left side camera, and my right side camera. It's pretty slick. Let's see here. Let's hit play. This would be very helpful if you get in an accident or something like that. I'm curious if you can hit a button to record. I gotta look for the settings on that. Okay, that's pretty awesome. Okay, so let's go to settings. You can turn it on and off. It appears to be the only settings, so I'll have to do a little bit of research and see if I can find something that shows it does more. But the camera quality definitely looks significantly better. It's still a little bit grainy, but it's noticeably better, I think, than what it was, my opinion. But sorry, we're going to a train concert. That's what that was. So, yeah, the recording quality actually looks way better than the other one, than the left and right camera quality. But this is definitely still improved. So now I'm going to pull the USB drive and see what the files look like on it.